Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 in American Democracy and Citizenship. This week we'll be looking at Congress and its powers, its responsibilities, the structure of it, and just really how it functions. So this week you can see the learning objectives here, chapter summary, PowerPoint, but I want to focus on a couple of things while we're looking at the class. First is this video on interactive media activity, passing immigration reform. Now, this is an activity that is beneficial because it really does tell you exactly, or it kind of gives you an idea about what Congress has to do sometimes in order to get things passed, horse trading, if you will. So if you just begin the activity, you can see here, you pick one of these people, whatever you want to pick, and then you begin, and you open the memo, and you can read the memo, and you basically have to go through the process of drafting legislation, identifying supporters, and making sure the bill is also efficient and effective. After you do that, then you're going to have a short quiz on passing immigration reform. It's between 10 to 15 questions. Well, it's multiple choice, and so that'll be part of your grade as well this week. So don't, go ahead and go through this activity again. It gives you a really good idea, but then you have the quiz as well. Our discussion question this week is asking about term limits. And living in Arkansas, having grown up in Arkansas, we instituted term limits a few years back, and it's been a positive and a negative. And so that's what I want you to consider about term limits, the positive and negative impact that they have. But in this case, we're going to consider it on a national scale. What if there were congressional term limits in place? How would that change things? So that's your discussion question for the week. And then you'll have your exam as usual over Chapter 11. Your PowerPoint's listed there as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be grading your work from last week, probably today and tomorrow, so you should know where you stand in the class. Keep up the good work on the discussion boards. You guys are doing a really good job on those, discussing issues and being very civil to one another in those conversations. Have a great week. Enjoy the crazy weather, and I'll talk with you again soon.